Let's color for hairs together. A step you can't miss, developer and bleach. Before you ask, your bare hands. Yes, my bare hands. Don't try this at home.
So I was watching a video. I don't know how come this video came up on my For You page, but it was a lady bleaching hair, and I noticed that she was using her bare hands. Of course, she warned people not to use their bare hands to when they are bleaching their hair, in mixing the peroxide and the bleaching powder. I advise you, please do not do that to your hands, because it's going to damage your fingers, it's going to damage your nails, especially when you didn't fix your nails. Don't put your hands through that, because if you've ever had something like whiplow or paronychia, it's very, very painful. So please invest in getting hand gloves like this. You can buy hand gloves like this from Jumia. These are nitrile gloves. Buy gloves like this. They are available on Jumia. You can buy even 20 pairs. That should be, is it 10 pairs or yeah, 10 pairs will give you like 20 pieces for about 6,000 naira. And the beauty of gloves like this is that you can wash it and reuse it if it doesn't get torn. And luckily, this glove doesn't tear easily, unlike those other transparent gloves that get torn easily. So please, don't be endangering your fingers, your hand, your skin, your nails when you're bleaching hair. Please don't do it. Just invest in getting gloves. I know there are cheaper gloves, like see-through gloves, but those ones tear easily. So just invest in getting gloves like this. Yeah, be safe out there while you start people's wigs. Bye, love.
Forget the mess and concentrate. Show use glove and don't form hard girl like me. The pro. See my hand after.
This is what happens when you bleach hair without gloves.
While bleaching hair. It hurts so bad.